Hello kids, today I am going to teach Standard 7 Subject Chemistry, the new chapter Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. In this chapter we will study about matter, its two subdivisions, pure substances and impure substances, elements, compounds and mixtures. You all know that what matter is. It occupies some space and also has some mass. Then it is subdivided into two parts, pure substance and impure substances. Pure substance means it composed of the substance which has its own property and mixed in a fixed ratio. Whereas impure means it can be in any form, mixed in any proportion. So, pure substance further subdivided into elements and compounds, and impure substances divided into mixture. So, further we will study in detail about elements, compounds and mixtures. It's better to compare between elements and compounds because both are pure substances. Then what is the difference between them? So elements are pure substances, compounds are also pure substances. Elements are made up of only one kind of atom having their own properties, whereas compounds are made up of two or more elements in fixed ratio. The ratio will be fixed, like for example elements like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, iron, gold. All these are elements and they are being represented by symbols like oxygen O, carbon C, hydrogen H and so on. Iron F, E, capital F, small e. Compounds are represented by chemical formulas. Chemical formulas means H2O, that is water, CO2, carbon dioxide, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Elements cannot be broken into simpler substances or new substances. The atoms of each element cannot be broken down. But in case of a compound, the constituent can be separated by some chemical means. Now we will discuss more in detail as given in your book regarding mixtures and its characteristics. Mixtures are impure substances. As I said, impure substances can be mixed in any ratio. So it is also made up of two or more substances, means either elements or compounds or elements and compound both. They do not undergo any chemical change. So mixture can be formed by physically mixing the elements and compounds together. Mixture does not have any specific properties of their own. That's why they are impure substances. They are categorized into impure substances. They does not have any specific properties. They does not have fixed melting or boiling points because of their impurities. Constituents of mixture can be separated by physical means as well. In detail, we'll study further in this chapter that how we can separate different mixtures by different means. Now, mixtures can be of two types. As it is impure, mixed in any ratio, how that different elements or compounds mixed in different types of mixtures, that are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. So, we can easily understand by differentiating between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture in which the constituents are uniformly mixed. Like if you take sugar and dissolve it in water, throughout the solution of sugar solution or salt solution, the taste of that solution will remain the same. That means it is a homogeneous solution in which the constituent get dissolved throughout same uniformly. Whereas in heterogeneous mixtures are not uniformly mixed. The sand or the chalk powder or the sawdust, if we mix in water, that will not be uniformly mixed in it. Some particles remain at the bottom. Say properties throughout in homogeneous mixture. As I said, that in the sugar solution will test same throughout. But in heterogeneous mixture, it does not have same properties throughout. Like the sand remain at the bottom and the clear water at the top. Constituent cannot be easily separated because as it gets thoroughly mixed with the solute and solvent, thoroughly mixed, so it cannot be separated. The sugar, the salt cannot be easily separated by any means. It cannot be easily separated. The constituent cannot be easily separated in homogeneous mixture, whereas the constituent can be separated easily. By filtration process, we can take out the sand or the sawdust from the solution or from the heterogeneous mixture. Now, difference between compound and mixture. Compound is a pure substance as we had discussed just now, and mixture is an impure substance. Compound is made up of two or more elements, whereas mixture is made up of two or more substances. Compounds in compound elements are chemically combined, whereas in mixtures they are not chemically combined, they can be mixed by physical process. Compounds are always homogeneous, means throughout the compound there is a property which is same throughout the compound. Like the water, throughout the water it remains same, the property remains same throughout, whereas mixture may be homogeneous and heterogeneous. Just now we have discussed about it. So constituents can be separated by chemical means only in a case of a compound because they are chemically combined, whereas as they are physically as well mixed together, so they can be separated by physical means.